This is Arnold. Yes, I was once the Republican gubernator of California. When I came to America as a young teenager, when I was doing my bodybuilding, my coach made me watch Sesame Street to learn English. I learned how to count, and I also learned about the cultural things in America and the world. I also learned that whether you have red fur or beige fur or yellow feathers, we're all the same, and we should be treated that way. This is the American way of life. And when somebody, even when they're in my party, screws with the American way of life, namely Big Bird and Sesame Street, all I can say as an ex-Terminator, I'll be back.